Let's be honest. The first half of 2026 did not go according to plan. You started the year with big goals, new notebooks, and high energy. And then life happened. Procrastination took over, the bad grades started piling up, and right now you feel like you're drowning. Here is what most students do. They panic, write an unrealistic 12-hour daily study schedule, burn out in 3 days, and give up entirely. We aren't doing that. You have exactly 6 months left in 2026. That is more than enough time to completely flip the script. In this video, I'm giving you the 3-step academic reset routine to drag your GPA out of the trenches and pull off the ultimate comeback. No fluff, just strategy. Let's unlock. Before we talk about studying, we have to talk about your brain. If you've been failing or falling behind, your brain is likely fried from cheap dopamine. You scroll social media to avoid studying, feel guilty, and then scroll more to escape the guilt. To start your comeback, we need a 48-hour digital reset. For the next 2 days, no social media scrolling before 6 p.m. Use that resistance to force your brain to get bored again. When you are bored, sitting down to read a textbook actually starts to feel appealing. You cannot build a new discipline on top of a scattered mind. Clean the slate first. Phase 2 is how we actually build the momentum back up. It's called the minimum viable effort rule. When you are in a slump, the hardest part is just starting. Your brain builds up the task of studying into this massive, terrifying monster. So we change the goalpost. For the next week, your only goal is to study for 20 minutes a day. That's it. You sit down, set a timer for 20 minutes, and do high-focus work. If the timer goes off and you want to stop, you are legally allowed to stop. No guilt. But 90% of the time. Once you break the friction of starting, you'll want to keep going. We are training your brain to remember that studying isn't going to kill you. We build the habit first, then we scale the hours. Phase 3. Weaponize your study systems. Motivation is a myth. It vanishes the moment you feel tired. You need systems. Here are the 2 systems that will save your year. The syllabi merge. Gather every single syllabus, assignment sheet, and exam date for the rest of 2026. Put them into one single master calendar. Seeing the entire landscape prevents deadlines from sneaking up on you and giving you anxiety. Reverse active recall. Don't study to take a test. Take a test to study. Go find past papers, practice questions, or question banks before you review the material. Try to answer them. When you get them wrong, your brain flags that information as highly important, making it stick 10 times faster when you actually read the answer. Here is the final piece of the puzzle. You need to change the story you are telling yourself. Stop saying, "I'm a bad student," or "I always mess up." That's old news. That was the first half of the year. Right now, you are a student in the middle of a massive turnaround. Every time you open a book, every time you choose an assignment over a video game, you are casting a vote for the person you want to be by December. You have 6 months. Make them count. The blueprint is right here. The calendar is reset. The only missing variable is you. If you found this helpful, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this with a friend who needs to lock in with you. Let's make the rest of 2026 unforgettable. Go get to work, and I'll see you in the next video.